to start a new day. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aarti, and today again I have an Indian brand with me, the Pilgrims. Pilgrim is an Indian brand which brings beauty secrets across the globe in one product. It's like this range, the ritual that they gave me was a dawn to dusk ritual, because I am a very minimalistic person when it comes to skincare. So whether you are new to skincare or you are a minimalist product holder like me, this is a good routine to follow, like a face wash, a day cream and a night cream. It's called the dawn to dusk ritual. So let's get into the video where I review all the products in depth. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, go click on the subscribe button below. And the Venotherapy Dawn to Dusk ritual consists of a face wash, a red wine face wash. The key ingredient in this ritual, in Dawn to Dusk Venotherapy ritual, is wine. As all of you know, wine is a rich antioxidant. Like, aging usually happens due to free radicals produced in the cells. So antioxidants help to capture those free radicals and slow down the process of aging. I chose this product because it had wine in it. I haven't come across a lot of products which have this as a key ingredient. And moreover, the face wash even has vitamin C and aloe. So vitamin C again is an antioxidant, and it helps in reducing dark pigmentation and all. And as you can see, my skin has improved a lot since the beginning. I keep on exploring products that suits the skin the best. So the face wash, so the red wine face wash deeply cleanses and nourishes your skin and fights the signs of aging. This whole product helps to do that. If you go to see packaging, I love this color, but it's not a glass bottle. A very nice pink red color. It has these small beads in it, very small, minute, which are kind of not even visible. My face, I'm going to just use a wet towel to clean this off for now. After I've cleansed my face, I apply the day cream or the night cream depending on the time of the day. If you see, this is again already like half से ज़्यादा use कर लिया है. It is a gel based product, and I like to apply product this way, because it covers up whole of my face, no area is missed out. And since this has SPF in it, I do not have to dab in like my sunscreen over this, and I can just go out without like having to put one more product on my face. So this is one big plus point for me, and that's the reason why I have been using this more often lately. And now let me show you how to apply the night cream. The fragrance is very soothing and very light. It's not a strong fragrance. I hate products with very strong fragrances. And moreover, it has retinol in it, which is like a very important ingredient that I look out for a night cream to use. It helps to rejuvenate and helps to slow down the signs of aging, day-to-day damage due to pollutants, most important the sun. And retinol helps to slow down that process, and that's why that's the key ingredient that one must look out for in their night creams. Please do not apply the night cream during the day, as retinol has a reaction when you apply it during the day because of the sun. So please do not, you will have pigmentation all over your skin. So please read the ingredients always before, night products are supposed to be used in the night for this reason. The night cream again is a gel formulation. I apply it the same way. I don't know, but I think I see the difference since I've been applying it for more than a week, and I can feel the difference in my skin, and I'm loving it. I love the way these products are so light in texture, and they have the perfect ingredients and nothing more or nothing less. So I would say just go give it a try. You never know what works best for your skin, and at least I can guarantee you that it won't have any reaction on you, since my skin is very sensitive. Like, you guys have witnessed my skin like all throughout my journey, and you have seen how much I struggle with my skin. Like, see, still I have a breakout. So that's it. If you guys enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and keep supporting me like the way you have been till now. Thank you so much for all the love. See you.